In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We people are dealing, interacting with certain other people for most of the time. There are things to be given and there are things to be taken. There are benefits to be given and there are benefits to be taken. There are matters of mutual interest. And nowadays, our friendship, our chit chat, inconsequential talks also remains with the people with whom we are interacting for the self interest, for the bilateral interest, for the mutual interest, for the mutual benefits. Because the time has become very limited. The time is the same actually, it is the 24-hour day since the beginning, but maybe we do have to accomplish more. During our lifetime, during every decade and every year of our life, during every month, every week of our life, during every day, every 24 hours of our life. We have to accomplish more. We have to do more. We have to accomplish more. We have to do more. We have to do more for ourselves as well. Actually, everything else is for ourselves, but certain things are directly for ourselves, and certain other things are for ourselves but in an indirect manner. So we are always found interacting with the people, and since we do have to accomplish more every day, for that reason we cannot afford to spend unnecessary time to meet the people unnecessarily without a reason. It has become really difficult to meet the people, although there are no common interests, although there are no matters of common interest, no matters of mutual benefit. It becomes very difficult to meet someone else and to spend some of the time with those people. So the people today has become very smart, and they are found making the friendship with those people, befriending with those people who can benefit them in one way or the other way, without anything like this one, making the relationships, continuing the relationships, spending time with each other has become really difficult. Now once we are meeting someone else, and obviously there are certain matters of common concern, certain matters of mutual interest and mutual benefit, and for that purpose we are meeting. We need to take care of certain things, and taking care of these certain things is actually very important and very essential. Taking care of these certain things is actually very important and very essential. What are those things, by the way? First of all, we need to make clear what we want from those people and what we do have to give to those people. What we want from those people on the one hand, and what can we give to those people. And we must be very clear actually. Not only that we need to become very clear in ourselves, we need to make it clear to the other people as well. We need to be clear on ourselves first, and we need to make it clear to the other party, to the other to our counterpart as well. Otherwise, if at all there are enough number of people even today, and particularly in today's world, they want to get the benefit, they want to get the favor, but they don't want the other person to know about it. So we can call that these people are tricky people. So they want to get the benefit, but they don't want the other person to know that I am getting a benefit, that they are getting the benefit from these people. So these people are tricky people, these people are clever and cunning people, these people are the manipulative and exploitative people. Let me tell you that it is becoming difficult with the passage of time. Plus we are talking about the ethical means, and we are talking about the ethical ways to interact with the each with other people, not in the unethical ways at all. So I think so we need to make it clear that this is what I want from those people, this is what I want from you, and this is something what I can give it to you in return, or what you want from me, whether it is okay for the both of the parties or not. We need to make it clear, and no, then after being clear about this thing, we need to take care of certain other things as well. What are those certain other things? Actually, some of the people get involved with the other with the other party, with the other person, in the unnecessary and in the useless things, or in the things which are of trivial importance, which are of the trivial importance to you, which are of the trivial benefits to you. So for that reason, my suggestion is that never ever do not get involved with these things, because if at all we people do get involved in the trivial things, in the unnecessary things, in the useless things, what is going to happen then? I am of the view that our attention will be diverted from the things which are of real importance. Our attention will be diverted from the things which are of real importance. So if at all we don't want to put those things of real importance on the back burner, if at all we don't want to waste our time as far those important things are concerned, all what we need to do is that we shouldn't get involved with the unnecessary things, with the unnecessary practices, with the useless matter, with the things of trivial importance. So this is very necessary, and very necessary indeed. Apparently it might seem okay that at least I am getting certain benefits, it seems okay that at least we are passing the time. I think so. What I have noticed is that what I've seen is, what I've experienced is that getting involved with those people in the unnecessary, in the useless, and in the things of trivial importance, I think so. It sometimes what does happen is that the two of these parties start squabbling with each other, start fighting with each other, and that too over the unimportant things, that too over the unnecessary, the useless things, that too over the things of the trivial importance. So I am of the view that on the one hand we need to make it clear to ourselves, and we need to make it clear to the other party as well, and then we should not be getting involved in the unnecessary, in the useless, and in the things of trivial importance. And then last but not the least is that it is important to be civilized, it is important to be polite, it is very important to be precise. It is very important to be precise. Never overdo, and never underdo, because overdoing creates the problem. If at all you are doing it in the sympathy of someone else, maybe it will create problems. Avoid doing it that, and avoid doing that in a routine manner. Do it off and on, do it rarely, it is okay, but doing it in a routine manner, I think it is not okay. Never, do not overdo it, and do not underdo it as well. Overdoing is bad, underdoing is not good at all. So for that reason, we need to become precise. We need to take care of these things. I think inshallah that our dealing, our interaction with other people will become productive enough, it will become precise enough, and it will be for the mutual interest, it would be for the bilateral interest, it will create a kind of win-win situation. Thank you.